All right, so that was quite the afternoon here. Lots of talking, lots of cool information, and things are looking quite promising. All right, so a little bit of a different backdrop today. It is so hard to believe that that is me from just a few years ago. And the beard, this is staying. 100%, not going anywhere. Because I didn't even recognize myself when I was looking through the old videos. And I felt like this was a good opportunity to get out and show you guys where I've come from and talk about where we're going. So for today, managed to get a day where the sun is gonna come out and we're gonna go for a little drive. And while we're driving, we're gonna have a little chat about all the great adventures we've had and all the exciting adventures to come. It is so hard to believe that just three and a half years ago, this was not a part of my life at all. I decided that I wanted to go up to Calgary at the time, and I wanted to check out the brand new Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. So I got on my nice clothing, drove up there in the middle of a snowstorm, and spent all day hanging out at a Lamborghini dealership. That whole experience changed my entire mindset because I was chatting with the sales guy and he sold a car to a guy from out here in Kelowna. So that kind of prompted the whole, let's go check out Kelowna thing. And well, it's been 2 years since I've lived here and I do not regret that in the least. The Mercedes C63 AMG 507 edition. And of course it's already dirty. We have a Cadillac CT-5. This particular one is the Premium Luxury version. I still can't believe it's been 18 months. I've owned a car 18 months consecutively and I've driven it every day. No, I have never had a vehicle that I could say that about before now. So I had the Hyundai for about a year. I had the Ford for a little over a year. I had the Mercedes for a little under a year. And now I've had this for, a year and a half. 25,000 kilometers. And I have had a smile on my face for almost every single one of them. Well, as far as scenery goes for making the drive to work, I can definitely live with this. We're gonna give it one last shot. I'm kind of struggling to get turned around here, but I'm making forward progress, so maybe. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You can do it, Cadillac. You can do it. It did it. We made it. Oh, that's awesome. Now what am I gonna do? Well, I was right. This hill was too steep, lost traction, and started sliding back. So now we get to play with a shovel. It's gonna be fun. Well, that's the adventure so far. We've got starting off in the garage, tearing apart a BMW, a Ford Ranger engine swaps, all the way to purchasing the Hyundai, enjoying my very first autocross event, getting out and exploring southern Alberta, and then discovering a true passion for automobiles, buying the Ford Focus, getting out, putting on hundreds of miles, enjoying that car to its absolute limits, getting the Mercedes, finding my true passion in cars, the luxury super sedan or super coupe, whatever you want to call them. And now, well, I have the best all-arounder I could possibly think of. It's great on fuel. It's extremely comfortable. It's only left me stranded once, and that was because of a flat tire. Not the car's fault, right? Every little issue I've had with it has been simple to resolve. Parts are available. Yeah, it says Cadillac, so things are a little more expensive, but it's a car. You got to enjoy it. And, well, look at this view. This is the reason why the adventure exists. Because I want to get out and I want to see these views every day. I want to take you with me as I explore the limits of what humanity can do with a car on the road. If that makes any sense to you, please subscribe and we will catch you on the next adventure.